Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away. Ooh, you te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I honestly wonder. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I honestly wonder. Hey, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. Hey, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. Hey, I am in love, ya me love. Hey, I am in love, ya me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashanah here. I'm back with another video. And today I realized that it's Pride Month, and I love my Pride people, of course. I have a little cousin that is part of LGBTQ plus community, and I love him very, very, very much, and I accept him, of course. That's like my baby. Shout out to Delani. I did a rainbow look on my channel. It was a recreation of a makeup artist that I found on Instagram. Her name is BEATSBYDEB. I will leave her, I think she has a channel. I'm gonna leave her channel and her Instagram in the description box below. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild 42 eyeshadow palette. I have a review on this palette, so I will link it down below. So I'm gonna first go in with this shade right here. So I'm gonna go in with the Karity palette, and I'm gonna use this nice poppin' orange. It's called Vegas. I'm gonna use this orange right here. Now with yellow, like I said, yellow is tricky AF. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Tweety in the Karity palette right here, and I'm probably gonna use 2 yellows because I want it to be super vibrant. So now I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, and I want to just bring all the shades together. Not literally, but we just want to, you know, we want to just blend them together, but not together, because we don't want any harsh lines. So we're gonna just, you know, bring that up a little bit. Okay, now, so before we do the bottom lash line, we're gonna get into the face. First of all, I'm gonna lay my edges. Before we do the bottom lash line, I'm going to just basically do my face. Y'all seen my face a bajillion times. I'm gonna show y'all always. Like, if you guys would like to see a foundation routine, an updated one, because I have a new routine I like to do, so let me know. Let a sister know so I can film it for you guys. Like,
voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away. Ooh, you te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I hace wonder. You te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I hace wonder. Ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. Ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. I am in 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 love. Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away. Ooh, you te amo.
So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with my Itsmyraye palette, and I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. I'm gonna use the MAC 212. It's more like a they call it an angle brush, but it doesn't really have an angle to it. It's just like a box to me. It looks like a square. Purple, blue, and green. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the purple first. It's called Majesty. It's like my favorite purple in the palette. Going with another, I have two 12 brushes from MAC, and I'm gonna put the blue. So I'm gonna go in with cobalt, if I'm saying this correctly.
Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I busy with the others. Ooh.
Now, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the green. And I'm gonna go in back into the Karity palette, and I'm gonna go in with this green called, what's this green called? Wicked. I'm gonna go with Wicked. It's a nice Wizard of Oz green, as that witch in Wizard of Oz. I think that's the perfect green.
You te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I hace wonder. Ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. Ya me love, ya me love, ya me love, ya me love. I am in 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 love. Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away.
Okay guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I love you guys so much. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do recreate this look, please like tag me on Instagram, tag BEATSBYDEB. That's where I got this inspo from. She didn't do the liner and stuff, but that was me. Okay, so I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, people that love makeup, people that love color. Happy Pride Month to everyone, and be safe out there. Also, check out my other videos. I will link them right here in case, you know, you get a little sidetracked there, your phone rings, somebody texts you, something like that. So, you know, just click this video right here so you can watch more, of course. I have a whole playlist of all my makeup tutorials, and I think you should check it out because, you know, we in quarantine and nothing on cable. So yeah, we're about to get into some slow-mos. I love you guys so much. For the 14th 15th time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.